Hey there, viewers! There's no time for the gym this week? The good news is that you can still work out effectively. Push-ups are one of the simplest yet most effective exercises you can do. They work your chest, triceps, shoulders, and core, and they can be done anywhere, anytime. In this video, we're going to show you what happens to your body when you do only 30 push-ups every day for 1 month. We promise that if you stick with it, you'll see and feel a difference. Benefits of doing 30 push-ups every day for 1 month. Here are some of the benefits you can expect from doing 30 push-ups every day for 1 month. Increased upper body strength. Push-ups are a great way to build strength in your chest, triceps, and shoulders. Improved core stability. Push-ups require you to engage your core muscles throughout the entire movement, which can help to improve your posture and reduce your risk of injury. Increased muscle mass. Push-ups can help you to build muscle mass in your upper body, which can lead to a more toned and defined physique. Reduced body fat. Push-ups are a great way to burn calories and reduce body fat. Improved cardiovascular health. Push-ups can help to improve your cardiovascular health by increasing your heart rate and breathing rate. If you're new to exercise, or if you're not sure how to do a push-up properly, here's a quick guide. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your body down until your chest touches the ground. Push back up to the starting position. It's important to keep your core engaged throughout the entire movement and to make sure that your body doesn't sag or arch. Here is a 30 push-ups a day for 1 month workout plan. Weeks 1-2. Do 3 sets of 10 push-ups with 1 minute of rest between sets. If you can't do 10 push-ups in a row, break them up into smaller sets. Weeks 3-4. Do 3 sets of 15 push-ups with 1 minute of rest between sets. If you can't do 15 push-ups in a row, break them up into smaller sets. Weeks 5-6. Do 3 sets of 20 push-ups with 1 minute of rest between sets. If you can't do 20 push-ups in a row, break them up into smaller sets. Weeks 7-8. Do 3 sets of 25 push-ups with 1 minute of rest between sets. If you can't do 25 push-ups in a row, break them up into smaller sets. Weeks 9-10. Do 3 sets of 30 push-ups with 1 minute of rest between sets. If you can do 30 push-ups in a row, you can challenge yourself by doing different push-up variations, such as wide push-ups, narrow push-ups, incline push-ups, and decline. You can also increase the number of sets you do each day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more informative content. And don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below.